Corporal Wafa, Corani to Sibidu.
Oh, can't you there? Ask him like couple up on way, undo it. 3 personalities. The first personality was the couple wife. I'm not moving over, I'm knowing you. Only Biafran. Couple wife. Oh, bazooka gonna. With my little bazooka, Eji bazooka, a bali amotka, Eji bazooka, a bali or no. You know, when the enemy no longer hard cover, you know, oh, bazooka key as you were, pop, bali ever. So this boy was the bazooka gun. He had only 1 bomb. So that day, Okunili, that morning, why the other soldiers there, I think 18 battalion or so, whatever that now, run on Allah, who were hit here one Nigerian Amodka. Now that day, now sir, she onisha, Batabo Gidi, precisely be Chino Achebeva, Ugumwa Sike. So as they came up, William, so Owebia, our boys, in my armored car, power, now, our boys, now could be me withdraw. This boy, wherever we shadowed, we ran well, why the only bomb, pop, oh, hit here. And in my armored car, on you. So, on the armored car was between Nasa and the Biafran. So our boys were rallying around. Baba, that's Baba. Meanwhile, all of a sudden, I took Nasa and recovered that salad. But in the course of that battle, about this Banishi, couple one. So one bully from Ogidi, the Amodka, Bia Umudike, research and production, Umudike, Abia, Dozisiena. So I said, so Ojuguva, now can I have Agago Mota? Now we are couple one. Well, at least by the ever one there. But the third personality is about handle this armored car for Biafra. Open I boss. One I can't know of a couple of us. Because one, I know, I idea toner the armored car. 3 of us. I remember there was Roland. Roland was Nigerian Reiki personnel. He was the second in the course, IML course. It was completely theory. So I had never seen an armored car before. This was the first armored car I saw. At the time, I named it called a cops already. So we're doing the course theory. I was the best student. So at the end of it, just as we were rounding up, I captured Eva. So I'm Biafra. So I told the commander was there. The driver was Pampas already, crazy Pampas. When you come, chai, I go. So and I told you I was the best student, but I was no experience. I never fought before. Never said I'm not car. So General Amadi was patron when you name more experience. So I had to force I see what that's Sasa, I'm armored cars or bata. So I was still there. I said, you want to go? I want to go. You are volunteering, yes? Open Chim Avenue. Menu. Major Jesse Ojuku, oh, no, okay, crazy guy. Now, where's the matter? Now, we're very good man. Jesse Bang. So eventually, I enjoyed the operation. I was to be the 3rd gunner. They needed only 1 gun. 1, 2. So guys, and the other 2 who joined. When I had that, where Chineke because these 2 men, Chukwu we nyefe egwu, this God. Put fear in this man. I wanted to be in that armored car. With or without experience. So Chukwu we nyefe egwu, they were sweating and shivering. And I go for the piano can. So I gave them 60 seconds. Where jump around from Land Rover, where Barrow. The driver trouble come on and so go from that is that Obiang Jupiter. I'll go so I went and that was I will recapture Oba Junction. Oga come follow first, Colonel Onwatwe, Timothy, Ifeanyi Onwatwe. That day, he promoted us, made sure I'm second lieutenant. Of course, I won on that day. So, you know, then the information got to commanding officer, Jesse Ojuku. I said, well, about no one be done. That was how I can't see where buying a cup of water. Ordinarily, I wasn't on board, I suppose, able to go there. But, two ways, I told me, it promoted my mother. And other Igbo mothers, and the Calabar, everybody who was, I know. So that was, that was the genesis. And I gave the commander. And I'm under fire too. Pampas, but also reverse. Give a reverse. Obrika also. Pampas, move way forward, move left. Come from the very above of ma. So who be disobey. I mean militarily, it was like mutiny. But two of us against him, we wanted underline no. So eventually, I relegated to the background. So that and me quickly check how come I'm only mentioning the two of us. Pampas, money and about. So I'm one with the third personality. Okay. So that was the tripartite 3 and 1. I broke out Trinity, but